Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Welcome to the KPS online lectures. Students, today we are going to have our lecture number 5 for ninth class. As we have discussed in our previous lecture, lecture number 4, present perfect tense, its passives. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss past perfect tense and the method how to make it passive, how to make the sentences passive. So let's start our tense. First of all, we will see the structure. As we know, past perfect tense is a tense in which we discuss the sentences, the actions that have been completed in the past, and its helping verb is had. In every perfect tense, there is the use of third form of verb. So, first of all, in active sentence, we have subject, then we have only one helping verb, that is had, then we have third form of verb, then object, and we will also use full stop in the end. Now, if we make it passive, first of all we have object, then we will make use of been with had. We have the helping verb had been plus third form of verb, that is also called past participle, then by, and in the last there is subject. First of all we have simple sentence, that is also called assertive sentence, affirmative sentence. He had cooked food. Now we have object food. Food had been cooked by him. He is changed into him in its objective case. Then we have negative sentence. He had not washed his hands. Students, if we have a possessive pronoun in any sentence, possessive pronoun is never changed. It would be the same. His hands had not been washed by him. As we change subjective case into objective case and objective into subjective, but his is possessive case, so it will not be changed. हम जो possessive case है उसको हम change नहीं करते. Then we have interrogative sentence, simple interrogative sentence, the sentence that can be replied only in yes or no. Had you called me? Now the helping verb is at the start. Had you called me? Had I been called by you? Me has been changed into I. Had is in the first place. Had I been called by you? Then we have double interrogative sentences. When had she washed the clothes? Now, first of all, we have WH word, then helping verb. Students, in passive sentence, we cannot change the place of WH verb and helping verb. When had the clothes been washed by her? We have used WH word in the first as is in the active sentence, then helping verb, then we have the clothes, that is the object, then we have been and third form of verb, then by, and then she is changed into her in its objective case. Now we have the sentence with who. Who, as we know, is also a subject, so it is in the start. Who had watered the plants? Students, water is a noun as well as a verb, so it is not appropriate to use give water in the sense of, इन उर्दू वी कैन से पानी देना, यानी पानी देने के लिए हम जो वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे वो वाटर ही होगा, गिव वाटर नहीं होगा. Who had watered the plants? Who will be changed into by whom? By whom had the plants been watered? By whom had the plants? The plants is the object and it is first in the first. By whom had the plants been watered? So students, we also have other sentences like which. We can also use which, and with which we will use subject or object. For example, which house had you purchased? कि तुमने कौन सा घर खरीदा था? Which house would be in the start. Which house had been purchased by you? अगर हमने जो हाउस है एज अ जो कि एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट काम कर रहा है उसको हमने विच के साथ यूज़ किया है, तो वो पैसिव में भी हम उसको विच के साथ ही यूज़ करेंगे. स्टूडेंट्स, एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड हु, देयर कैन आल्सो बी सम सेंटेंसेस with whom, with how many, with how much, etc. So you will practice the very tense on your notebooks. You will do three 2 or 3 sentences of each type of the sentences, and you will change it into passive also. So students, this is your homework for today. This was our lecture for today. Thank you so much.